So it's day 55 and it's a fantastic day in Shanghai, on the way from Shanghai though, and we're having one of these quite quick fast trains, and very nice, comfortable. Here's my computer, phone, here's my Haley, here's myself, and this is good stuff. There we go, a little bit focus, airport, big.
Xiamen.
Yeah. That's a fish market. You can buy all exciting things like stingrays, gigantic snails, and all sort of other stuff.
Okay, it's day 56 still, and today we're eating here pig heart soup. So it's a soup, and it's a pig, the heart of the pig. Here it is, in small dices. What do you think, Ellie?
Too chewy.
Too chewy heart, but you like it? The taste of it? Yes, you do.
So right now I'm in the speed bus, and it's the only speed bus.
This is the dog, looking like a Chinese dog. Lonely the dog.
Okay, two guys, they jumped in the water, and then the current took him. And here, if you can see far away, there's a little spot. It's Dushan, and he's just lost. Okay, we're now on the rescue mission to rescue Dushan, and maybe me as well if I fall over. So you might need to see a little head popping up in the water. Yeah, he needs a beer over there. There we go. There you can see a little spot. See any sharks? Yeah, I've got to tell you, sharks in the water.
Två,
Yeah, давай.
en, ute!
Oh, give it a five.
Cold.
Yep. Yeah.
Turn it on. Turn it around. Okay, this is Haley's sunburn.
Alla som inte dansar är våldtäktsmän. Gäller alla hela kvällen, ingen åldersgräns. Gäller han och hon så konsekvent. Alla som inte dansar är våldtäktsmän. Säg det till tjejen och kompisens vän, Sven.
We're breaking in right now.
That ended up quite well in the camera.
Hey, we're breaking in right now.
Yeah, we are professional. Okay, this is day 61, and we've ordered ice mango, and this is how to make the ice for the fruit ice. Okay, now we're in the store in China, Xiamen. We're gonna make sure the food is fresh. So move. So this is my problem that happen all the time now when I'm traveling with Haley. As soon as she sees some little strange animal, she wants to like cuddle with them and say, give them strange names and call them honey puff, or pet them and say no, and I want to eat them. We just don't connect, you heard me. Do Haley.
No.
But come on, look at this thing here. Look at them legs here. This is meat. This is there.
Okay, it's day 61. We're sat in the ferry port, me and Amanda. We're just waiting for mine and Mikkel's ferry to Xiamen.
然后现在我们在等船坐船去金门，然后从金门再坐飞机到台湾。然后所以现在我们是在等着船票还有机票。接下来你们就可以一起去旅行了，环游整个台湾。祝你们玩得愉快。
A small step for Mikkel, but a big, gigantic step for humanity. Okay, this is my first try of this movie, and I found this new software which I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to clone myself. So I'm gonna try to put another clone walking in right here. Alright. And all the way over to the chair. And you can still hear me over here. There's one of me there, and there's one of me here. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put first me over there, slow motion. So try to go a little bit slower, yeah? And what you're doing, like a little bit slower. And why don't I try my things with this software I got? Let's put one more clone there. See, like my first time learning beginners. And so let's see, what else can we do with this software? We can slow down, speed up, slow down, speed up. And I got the power now. It was third.
What an amazing time.